Here is the Craftsman 10-inch blade table saw that I had help get today. There's the adjustment for this. Adjusts for the height of the blade. This is for the guide rod to push the wood, to cut the wood. This is the blade guard. Some people like it, some people don't. And this is the jig. Universal jig. Maybe I could try to learn something on how to use that. And here's the instructions for the table saw. Let's take a look at the rest of it. This is the backstop, or you could adjust it, lock it down, tape measure. And this adjustment's for the angle for the blade to have a different this way or this way. And here's the motor. It's a belt driven. You can see the belt right here. You could adjust the tension on the belt with that nut right there. And this is the extension platform. You can mount that with this hole, and this is mounted, and it comes out further. You have more room to put bigger sheets on, or straight longer piece or something. And that's it.